Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to start off a tractor lawnmower. Now, if you have a parking brake on and it's here, like all the way down right here, you want to push it down. Look, like if it's here, it's stuck like that, look. Then you want to go like this. There we go, now it's fixed. So, first thing you want to do to start up a lawnmower is you push it down. Then you turn the key to turn it on. You keep your foot on the brake and then forward. Then you let your foot off the brake and then you go right and